Hey guys, good morning. Billy Ribeiro here with Revolution Trading. Um, Hope you guys are having a good morning. And this morning, guys, this is just a continuation of our trade on Amazon, the trade we took on Amazon. And the reason why I just want to have a continuance or a continuation on that trade, it's just like I told you guys, right? We took the trade right at the double top here. If you guys watch my previous video, you guys will see why we took the trade, where we took the trade. And we paid ourselves on most of our contracts right at this level here. And then I told you guys, right, it was going to get to the 5 EMA on the daily, which the 5 is right here. And look, holding runners, and the thing just keeps on selling off, guys, right? So, and as you guys could see, right, this is not based on any indicator, guys, and anything. This is just like solely based on price action and just identifying, like where the smart money comes in and out, right? Identifying, through reading the charts, where institutions buy and sell, right? And to me, this is how I was able to, this is how I developed my system, right? Which is bulletproof, which, I was able to out trade over 200 years altogether of trading in a day. And I've done in a day what they hadn't done in the whole entire year together, right? Just by doing this, guys, right? No holy grail indicator, actually no indicator at all, right? You guys see here some, like I have this, which is meaningless. I don't, right? But it's just like something here that I use for students. But let's just pull the Amazon chart here, right? And this was the entry here on Amazon. It's continuing to sell off. This is the weekly chart. Let's go to the daily. And the daily chart, right? So, and then I did mention that we had a gap that needed to be filled, right? So we took this, right? We took this level out. And then the gap here to be filled, it actually filled this gap here. This gap here is filled. And we got to fill this gap. And then as simple as that, guys. No indicator, no, right? I could be selling you guys here, like a multi, a couple of $1,000 indicators and telling you guys, hey guys, this is my secret right here. But if you guys hear that, just run away. If someone claims that that's why they're making money, just ask for a certified P&L, right? Because that is a big fat lie. All right, let me just sell some more here, right? By the way, I didn't use Thinkorswim to trade. I use for charts. I use Interactive Brokers, and I use like Thinkorswim for charts, and mainly TC2000 because they're the best, the fastest, the quickest. And let me just sell a couple here. I'm still gonna hold a couple. All right. So now the next target here would be the 9 EMA, right? And this level here, right, that we got off the daily, which would be a gap close, 131.26. Let's see where the 9 EMA is, guys, on the daily here. So did we already? So why can't we see the 9 EMA here? 5, where's the 9? Someone stole the 9 EMA. Why can't we see the 9 EMA? I mean, this is holy. Okay. Wow. Oh, okay. I see. It must have hit the 9 EMA on the daily here and bouncing off the 9. Let's see. Oh yeah. Guys, as you guys could see here, right? Bounce off the 9, right? 9 EMA right here off the daily. It's bouncing. And right, a gap close here. So for those of you that want to go long, right? For those of you holding that took the trade with us, right? We can use the VWAP here, 132.15 or 132 even, a break of that to get out. And for those of you that want to go long, you guys can use the 9 EMA here to go long, targeting the VWAP, which there's not much distance, right? Not enough meat here, not enough point, right? Not enough distance. And yeah, I'll just wait to go long here. So especially for trading options, and like I said, most people, like trading the breakouts, and no, guys, we don't trade breakouts. We don't trade penny stocks, right? And that's what most people do. So, which is ridiculous. And that's why if you just ask them to show their P&L, right, it's certified, because it's even nowadays, guys, it's even sketchy, asking people for their P&L, because after Photoshop and things like that, it's you can't even trust it. That's why it has to be certified by the broker. And if you can get FTC in the middle, it's even better, right? So because it's so many crooks, you know what I mean? But for you guys out there to know, we came here, to rescue guys. The reason why we're here is just to, because it's such a shitty, trade. It's such a shitty, like type of business, to be in. And the reason why we're here is to help people like you guys, because I've been on your shoes, right? Listen, I spent thousands of dollars on the Holy Grail, indicators, on the Holy Grail courses and on the best, like in masteries, like trading alert service, live trading rooms, and none of it worked. And that's the reason why, like after being like so disappointed and realizing that like it was all about the money. So, right, I had to figure out a way for me to make money, because the losses, right, I ended up being homeless, and I had to figure out a way. I knew there was a way, and I knew it was not what I was being taught on over, like altogether $500,000, spent with courses and mentorships and things like that, one-on-ones and things like that. And I knew that wasn't the way, right? So as you guys could see here, right? And very close, right? From here, 27 to 35, 36. Yeah, nine cents away, right? I'm still holding, just like, right? A few, just two rounders to be more exact right now, right? The amount that I was holding from yesterday, they were free, right? If they had gone to zero, it would have not affected my profit. It made me a lot of money this morning. And these two are, right, if they break the VWAP here and hold, I'm getting out, right? I made enough. right? So, or even better, I can just use this level here. Just give more wiggle room. Breaks this level here and holds, right? The 50, I'll get out. Other than that, right, it's still extremely profitable on those two runners, right? And they're free, extremely free. And like I said, guys, like, and this is just right, um a follow-up on the trade from yesterday. All right. So if you guys have any questions, concerns, need help with anything, don't hesitate to reach out. And if you guys like the lesson, please like, share, subscribe, comment. Let's interact, guys. And our main goal here is just like to create a community of traders that is going to change and revolutionize the world of trading, for years to come. And and I know, I am the best, we're the best. And not for nothing that I have always, right, left the challenge open out there for those fake gurus that if they want to do it live on camera, on screen, right, we can, I'm open to embarrass them whenever they want, but they keep on running away, right? Of course, because they don't want to get exposed, right? Because they'll start losing money, right? All the members are gonna run away, right? But this is not, this is for you guys. This is right. My main focus is just setting you guys free from them. All right. So have a great day and enjoy, right? Revolution, baby. Take care.